Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Era. So the agenda of this demo is to set up a Tomcat in EC2 instance. The prerequisite of this demo is that you should be having EC2 instance up and running in AWS. Okay, so if you are not sure how to create EC2 instance, I will leave the link in the description. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see this is my Tomcat instance. This is up and running. Okay, and I have left all the steps involved in this documentation. Alright, so I will leave the link to this documentation in this video description. Okay, so the first step is changing the host name and performing the update to latest package. Alright, before that, I think we should be connected to EC2 instance, right? So let me hit on connect. Let me SSH into it. So copy the command and paste it in my git bash. Okay, awesome. We are connected to EC2 instance. Alright, then we will be setting up the host name as a Tomcat. It is already done, but for this purpose of this demo, I will just copy this command and show you how that is done. Okay, so okay, and then we will be performing an update. Okay, once the update is done, then we will be installing the Tomcat version 9. Okay, so install. Okay, so Tomcat installation is completed, and we will be doing the below command to setting up a Tomcat admin app, right? So we need to set up an admin app here. This is the command. Awesome. And once that is done, then moving on to step 4. Here we have to set up a user in Tomcat. Okay, so we have to open the Tomcat user.xml file. So here the file it is created while we have installed this Tomcat 9 in step 2. And so yeah, I will open it in a VI editor, and then we will be adding a user. Okay, okay, awesome. Okay, so I will be going into the insert mode by pressing I on my keyboard. Okay, so I am here in the insert mode. So here you need to add a role here, so we can just copy this and paste it here. Alright, awesome. So I just pasted this in here. Okay, and now I'm going to save it. WQ. Okay, great. So we have successfully added the user. Now to make sure that these changes come into picture, we need to restart the Tomcat. Okay, so this is the command to restart the Tomcat. So sudo systemctl restart Tomcat 9. Okay, so the restart is completed. We can check the Tomcat status by giving this command to check the status, that is sudo status Tomcat 9. Then we can see it is running, right? Active, it is showing us as running, right? And we can quit this screen just by pressing Q. Okay, let's go back here. Now that the Tomcat is up and running, so we can use our DNS name here. The DNS public name it is given in step 4. So I will just copy this URL. Okay, and fingers crossed. So should give me it is up and running. So I just pasted, and remember we need to give the port 8080. That's the default port. So hit on enter. Let's see. Awesome. It works, guys. So we have successfully installed Tomcat version 9 on EC2 instance. Okay, so let's quickly summarize the steps that we involved in this demo. So the prerequisite where we have to make sure that EC2 instance is up and running and port 8080 is open. Once that is done, then we will perform a quick update on the Ubuntu system, as it is a brand new one. Once the update is performed, then we will be installing the Tomcat. We will be setting up the user. Okay, and then once the user is set up, then we will be using the DNS link for the EC2 instance, and boom, so it will give us that it is working. Now we can deploy the Java applications in this Tomcat server. Alright guys, that was it. That was We have covered the agenda for this demo. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.